Okay, been a while since I been up to the greenhouse. She pretty much takes care of that once it gets into the summer. So let's take a walk up there and see what she's got going on. You can see this greenhouse I built using rough lumber off the sawmill. And, this is, I think, the third summer for it. Let's take a walk in, see what she has going on. It looks like she has some cabbage here. It's looking pretty good. Planted more onions, it looks like. And here's a row of tomatoes. You can see in the back here, there's still a few heads of lettuce going to seed out of those 100 and some heads of lettuce that I planted in here in late February. There's one. Now, when these get to where we don't eat them, the chickens and the rabbits eat them. But she replaced this whole area that had 100 and some heads in with other stuff, like more cabbage here, like some peppers and stuff back in here, and she put in a few more, some more lettuce. More peppers. This is some type of tomato. She was trying to explain it to me. It's a tomato they make salsa out of. It grows, I forget what she called it. It grows and it gets skin over it that you peel off. I don't know. I never seen it before. But here's, looks like between the fencing, cucumbers. Looks like she planted a lot of them. I never seen tomato plant like that before. But here's some nice kale, beautiful plants. Lots more tomatoes in the middle. We should have enough tomatoes. Not like we have enough lettuce, huh? Broccoli. Like that about ready. I think there's cauliflower. More lettuce she put in. A couple bean plants. So this greenhouse is nice. I mean, it's you have to water because of course plastic on. No matter how much it rains, you gotta water. But everything turns out pretty good in here. If you watched my early videos in the year, you notice I was having some trouble with the nutrient levels in the soil, and I took tests, and then I put blood meal in here and a couple other things, and that really helped. So that's important. So there's the greenhouse as of third week in June 2023.